What's up, y'all? It's me. It's your girl, Lichlings. And a lot of you guys have asked me to record or make videos of all of the looks that I do on stream or like post pictures of. And that's what I'm finally doing. I am really new to, I've never made a YouTube video before in my life. Maybe like, oh, I lied. I did like a sock puppet video or something for a class project one time. But other than that, I've never made a YouTube video in my entire life. I've been really nervous to start this because I want to say I don't like talking to myself. I find it really awkward, but I'm a streamer, so that's what I do all day anyways, is talk to myself. It's just weird without chat and weird without music. But yeah, I finally did it. I finally grew some balls and I finally recorded you guys the first video. It's just, this is the finished look. It turned out a lot different than I thought it was going to turn out, but it's still okay. It's still good. It still looks alright. Yeah. So if you guys like it, let me know. But yeah. I don't know what else to say. So yeah, if you guys like it, be sure to let me know. Good luck, have fun. Enjoy. I'll start by priming my face with this by Milani. I don't get a lot, like this much. I don't like rub it in. I kind of like pat it down because if I rub it in, it gets really like beady together. Do you know what I mean? This is the foundation that I use. It's Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. Don't look at my nails. I'm really bad at doing my nails. You just put like a little bit on my beauty blender. I like make it damp first, like put water on it and then squeeze the water out. I just kind of like dot it all I just kind of like dot it all over first and then I go in and like blend it out. This is like hella coverage, dude. It's like I never wear full coverage foundations if I'm like in like normal day-to-day life. Normally when I go outside I don't wear anything on my face besides eyebrows. When I'm like streaming and stuff I like cake that shit on, dude. Okay, next I'll go with concealer. I have two different kinds. And it's weird. I either use the lighter one or the darker one. Dude, everything I use is Milani because I am really cheap and I don't like spending a lot of money for makeup. So I just go to Walmart and get Milani. That's like 90% of my makeup is just, I guess, from Walmart. What I do with the concealer is I make a line like right here, go underneath my eye, and then like I like fan it down like this. I have like really puffy, you can't really see them, you can see them sometimes, like really puffy cheeks, so I go to the bottom, like right there, like right where my cheek right where my cheekline starts. Because with concealer you're gonna push it out, you don't need to like put it all over your face, you know? Make a line down your nose. Do a little bit on my upper lip right here. You want to like dot it outwards. You don't want to like rub it because then you'll just like smear everything. Just kind of like dot it and then go outwards. I see so many people never put anything on their eyelids before they do eyeshadow, or a lot of people even do eyeshadow before they do their like foundation or anything. I've always done my entire like base first, I used to like started doing makeup, so I've never really like tried. I know it would help with like the fall from the like the fall from the eyeshadow, but I've never really done it. I just go back over if I need to and just put a little bit of concealer. I think I'll do a setting powder on like the lifted parts of my face before I go in with and do contour. For stuff like this, I always put it in the, go like this and put some in the lid and then use my brush in the lid, because if you just dip your brush in the powder, you're gonna way too much and then you're gonna like knock the extra off and you're just gonna waste so much of it. This is what I used. Walmart stuff again, dude. Be cheap, be frugal. I used this blush yesterday. I got this in my Beaute charm. It's Wander Beauty Trip for 2. Blush and bronzer duo. I learned recently that, alright, see right here where this falls? If I look down, you can see like that. You want your makeup to go up from there. I feel like the higher you put everything up, you have this like spot below, the better it's gonna look. Then I go up around my hairline too. I put extra like on the sides of my face right here too, on the sides of my forehead. Especially since I wear wigs. This will matter a lot with like hiding the lace in my wigs. I have to be really careful. This blush was really, really, really pigmented the last time I used it. Okay, these brow pencils are the best thing I've ever seen in my life. If I could use one makeup product for the rest of my life and never use anything else ever again, it would be these. These are the best brow pencils I've ever used in my life. This is the best makeup product I've ever used in my life. Can you focus, please? Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim. They're absolutely amazing. Most of the time I will use both of these. I have them in soft brown and black brown. I'll normally do the lighter one first and then go in with the darker one if I'm like, I need spots filled in. Since it's so little, I just kind of like draw hairs in the direction that my my brows grow, right? My hairs are laying. When I was really young in middle school, if you remember when you like shaved your eyebrow like this? I did it because Soulja Boy did it and I thought it was really cool, so I put like these little cuts on my eyebrows. That was really cool. I wish that would make it come. That was actually dope. That's a lot. I am so sorry. I'm gonna go all over my lid. I feel like this. I try to make it like if my eyebrow were to come down a little bit, it would meet. You know, in school, I had some friends that call me beady eyes, so I'm really self-conscious about how little my eyeballs are. Let's make them look big. Bahamas or sangria? This turned out really, really red. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna like that or not. What I'll do with this, I'll go up around where my eyelid starts. And I'll go in my eye. Not in my actual eye. I will take this, clean. What is going on? This Aurora color. It's really glittery, and I really want to put that on like the actual insides of my eyelids because it looks really dope. Actually, I'm gonna do this more in the middle and towards the outer part of my lid. And then I'm gonna go in with one of these. Probably this one on the more inner parts of my eye. This one I will probably go underneath my eyelid a little bit too, on the bottom. I'll do some eyeliner. I've used the same eyeliner since I was in middle school, I think. It's Revlon Color Stay Liquid Liner. It's in like this little square container. It's got like a felt tip, but it's really pointed. Intense thickening. Grande drama with the intense thickening. How I do my mascara? I should curl my lashes beforehand. I need to get in the habit of actually doing that because I never do. I put it at the base of my lashes and I just kind of like spin it in the brush and wiggle it upward. Highlighter. There are a few different kinds of highlighter I use, but lately I've been really liking this. It's loose powder, more Walmart brands, but this is really cool. I really like this. I really like the loose. This is the first loose powder highlighter that I've ever used, and I really enjoy it. Most of the time, I just even use what's in the lid. I will take my finger and just kind of like just get like one little dot, because you really don't need a lot of this. A little tiny dot, like you can barely even see it on camera. And you just put a dot on your nose like this. And then along the bridge of your nose and up between your eyebrows. For highlighting my cheeks, I use a fan brush. This one is really thick, so I don't normally use like the entire brush. I only use like one side of it. These are the lashes I'm gonna use. I like these a lot better than Ardell Wispies. The band doesn't poke my eye. I can't hold it. Duo Lash Glue in black. So it's not clear. My nails are so ugly, I'm so sorry. It's not clear, it comes on black, so it kind of like goes with the, you don't have like the weird white specks. You want it to set right on top of your natural lashes. I lay it on my eye, and I start with the outer side first, and I move to the inner side. Booty lips. Here's one lip liner. I've been obsessed with this shade for a few years now. It's called Sandstorm by NYX. Usually I'll do liner on my entire upper lip. Sometimes I'll even do it on my entire lower lip, or on the insides and like the inner circles. The lip shade that I always use. Can you guess what brand? I like how I'm talking to chat, like I'm expecting chat to answer me. It's Milani again. It's in Adorable number 10, if that matters. We're finished with makeup, I think, so I'm going to some Milani setting spray Not sponsored, by the way, just cheap. And it's really good quality too. I'll use a new wig cap today, I think. Might squeeze my head and be a little bit tight. A lot of you guys ask how I put wigs on. When I had a lot of hair, because my hair used to be like down to my waist. Until recently, until it got so fried I had to, because I'm trying to get the color out, until it got so fried I had to chop it. This is what I do. Just gonna like slick my hair back, take my wig cap, that's not really supposed to happen, but it's to the bottom, like, not, make sure you don't have any lumps in the back, make sure you don't put it up too high. But oh my god, having short hair is like a blessing now. I think I'm gonna keep my hair this short forever. Good luck. I might have to pluck this a little bit too because I haven't. Oh, I don't know. The hairline might be okay actually. Most wigs come with these little combs inside. I take the comb and flip it up underneath the wig cap to hold it in place. This is the final look. If you guys like it, be sure to let me know. It turned out a lot more pink than I had hopes for. I kind of wanted to do more like neutral colors, but that didn't really work out today. Anyways, I plan on doing these maybe once or twice a week. We'll see. But yeah, if you guys like this, let me know. I'm gonna be doing a lot more like crazy looks and stuff as well. But be sure, what did they say? What did they say on YouTube? Be sure to leave a like, hit that, wait, what is it? Smash that like button, dude. Subscribe, because this is really, really new to me. And I don't know how this is gonna work out, how this is gonna be. Turn on notifications. Is that still a thing? Follow my social medias if you guys want to keep up to date with everything. You guys should follow my Twitch if you guys are interested in seeing my streams. Everything should be listed below, but everything is Lichlings. Twitter.com/Lichlings, Instagram.com/Lichlings, and Twitch.tv/Lichlings. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me know if you want this to be a normal thing that I do. But yeah, peace out, guys.